Hello friends, I am Akhil. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a biogas plant without Cowdung. First of all, you will need a bottle, plastic bottle. Then you need some neem leaves, a glass of water, an IV set. In the IV set, they include a needle, a FEVICOL, vegetable waste, matchbox, and a drilling machine. First, let's drill a hole in the bottle cap. Now we are going to remove the bottle cap and attach this portion of the IV tube inside the bottle cap. Like this. Now we are going to add neem leaf inside the bottle. Now we are going to add vegetable waste inside the bottle. I have added spoiled pomegranates, pineapples, banana peels, and some other vegetable wastes. Now we are going to add water to this bottle till it's 3/4 of capacity. Like this. Now we are going to close the bottle with the cap. And we are going to close the other end with this cap. Like this. You may notice some gaps over here and here. So we are going to seal these gaps so that the air doesn't come out. I am using a FEVICOL. You can use a dough or a FEVICOL to do it. We have filled the gaps. Now let us keep this bottle for 5 to 7 days for the fermentation to take place.
1 week later.